Patel, as rightly mentioned, people are thinking, what is the use for IT or quantum computing? I don't have any doubt about it. Today, everything is related with technologies. Earlier, we used to send people for war. It is no more relevant. Without technology, no war at all. Technology, knowledge, these are all the future. So to empower our community in all walks of life, we have to go for latest technologies, then only we can empower, otherwise it's impossible. One thing I want to place before you, all of you, India is very strong. For that, 3-4 reasons. We started economic reforms late. That was 1991. Even that economic reforms was started by P.V. Narasimha Rao. He is also Telugu bidda from here only, from Andhra Pradesh only. Second advantage for India, 1995, technology evolution. I can say revolution. India took first mover advantage. I am very happy I played some role on that, major role. I remember ecosystem was not conducive at the time. Education, supporting infrastructure and operations, everything. Then I used to fight successive prime minister, 3 prime ministers, for deregulation of telecommunication sector. Sometimes these are all the pleasant memories we have to remember. At that time, there are 2 public sector companies. One is BSNL, even today that is there. BSNL domestic calls. Another is VSNL international calls. At that time, my son was studying in America, Mr. Lokesh. As Chief Minister, I was not ventured to telephone to him because of heavy bill. Then there will be question and answer in assembly. I have to answer all those things. And also at that time, there was a lightning call. Immediately they had to connect, expected to connect. It used to take 1 week, 7 days. At that time, there were manual exchanges. That operator is supreme. He wanted to give lightning call, he can give. Otherwise, he will avoid. That were the days. I studied all over the world. Countries are moving very fast, contributing cell phones, everything. Then I used to talk all these things. Then when I spoke about cell phone, everybody held me, political opposition. Cell phone can give food or shelter or water, what you are talking, why you are doing all these things, who wants this, like that. Today, after 25 years, wife can live without husband. Husband can live without wife. Both cannot live without cell phone. As a matter of fact, it is a weapon for everything. I can work, I can communicate, I can operate, I can do everything. What not everything. That is where reforms has taken place. Third one, technology evolution. Indians are playing major role. Now India is having advantage demographic dividend. This some of you may not understand. Biggest advantage for India, young India. Always youngsters can take risk. While all other countries are facing aging problem, this demographic dividend advantage will be there up to 2047. Now I can say proudly, India's population is 146 crore population. China's population is 130 crore now. India will increase up to 170, 165. China population will be 100 crores. It is decreasing now. So, Indians can service the Indian community 80%, 20% can service global community now. Both corporate and public governance, that is the power of India. That is the power of population in India by using technology. Nobody can beat India in development. So these are all three advantages. Now, as our friends has rightly mentioned, now we are all working here. Quantum Valley with deep technologies. This is very order of the day. Earlier, only IT and applications. Now, as on today, AI has become a reality. Deep technologies are becoming a reality. And also, one example I can give you what my plans. Andhra Pradesh is having some advantages. One is Sriharikota satellite launching pad for India. I wanted now, Honorable Prime Minister under the Government of India has allowed private investment in space technology. We wanted to create space technology, space city, aerospace, defense and civilian, huge demand in India. We want to go for aerospace and also electronics. Earlier, India was importing. Today, we are exporting. There is huge demand globally, even for electronics production. And also drones. Without drones, nowadays we are all watching, drone is very, very essential to war or otherwise to have civilian applications, so many things. We created a drone city. Automobile, new technologies are emerging, green energy, EV vehicles, everything there we are working. So, Andhra Pradesh is very strong in green energy. I have seen in my life, there was no phone. Only affluent people, 5-6 villages or in a town, 1 or 2 phones. In 1989, when I started 1978 as MLA, 89 I contested from Kuppam. For the last 9 times I'm winning there. I announced in Kuppam in one public meeting, I am going to bring electronic exchange. Then my opposition criticized me, how he is going to bring electronic exchange? Manual, because we had only 20 phones in the constituency itself. That was the issue now. Everybody in my constituency today, they are having cell phones, smartphones, everybody is operating. Today, if you can see, in my government, all services I wanted to provide through WhatsApp governance. That is what IT Ministry has started. It is going on as on today extremely well. By August 15th, 100% services will be online. Nobody need to come to office. There is one more advantage in this. I can analyze through AI tool what type of complaints, who is complaining, whom they are complaining. Then I can take so many actions. Now here I wanted to request all